Oh. Hello.
I would say I've had a very privileged upbringing, yes. My great-great-great-grandfather was actually part of the team that discovered the very first oyster sauce in 1888. Of course, history credits Lee Kum Kee, but I assure you, the oysters were the true reason for the success. The truth is that not every oyster can do the job that we do. You have to be 2 to 3 years old, extremely fresh from the harvest, and pass an incredibly strict quality control test to even be considered for a bottle of Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. I imagine you think I'm rather full of myself, don't you? But I'm preparing to be part of the most pure and delicious oyster sauce there is. Use me as a meat marinade or in a quick, easy stir-fry. And believe me, you'll agree.
Lee Kum Kee, our quality is never compromised.